6 children in Gujarat's Aravalli district are suspected to have died from Chandipura virus in the last 5 days. The total number of suspected cases has risen to 12. 5 out of 6 deaths have been reported from the civil hospital in Himatnagar in Sabarkantha district. All 12 samples, including 8 from Sabarkantha, have been sent to Pune's National Institute of Virology (NIV) for confirmation, Gujarat Health Minister Hrishikesh Patel said. What is Chandipura virus? Chandipura virus, aka Chandipura vesiculovirus, CHPV, is an RNA virus belonging to the Rhabdoviridae family, which also includes the rabies virus. It was first identified in 1965 in Chandipura, a village in Maharashtra. The virus primarily affects children and has been associated with outbreaks of acute encephalitis in India. This disease occurs by the sting of a vector-infected sandfly and it mainly affects children aged 9 months 14 years. It is seen more in rural areas. Fever, vomiting, loose motion and headache are the main symptoms, Patel added. Chandipura virus is a serious pathogen with a rapid onset of severe symptoms, primarily affecting children in certain regions. However, this disease is not contagious. Due to the lack of specific antiviral treatments, early diagnosis and supportive care are crucial. Preventive measures focused on controlling sandfly populations and minimizing human exposure remain the primary strategies for managing the risk of infection. Symptoms of Chandipura virus infection. The symptoms of Chandipura virus infection can progress rapidly and include fever, sudden onset of high fever, headache, severe headaches are common, vomiting, frequent vomiting can occur, convulsions, seizures or convulsions are a prominent symptom, altered mental status, confusion, irritability, and changes in consciousness. Coma. In severe cases, the infection can lead to coma and death. How does it spread? Chandipura virus is primarily transmitted through the bite of infected sandflies, genus Phlebotomus. The exact mechanisms of transmission are not fully understood. Vector-borne transmission. The primary mode of transmission is through sandfly bites. Animal reservoirs. Certain animal species may act as reservoirs for the virus, though this is still under investigation. Environmental factors. Outbreaks have been linked to specific environmental conditions that favor the breeding of sandflies. Treatment. There is no specific antiviral treatment or vaccine for Chandipura virus infection. Management primarily involves supportive care to relieve symptoms and prevent complications. Hospitalization. Patients with severe symptoms, especially children, often require hospitalization. Hydration. Ensuring proper hydration is crucial, especially if vomiting is severe. Antipyretics. Medications to reduce fever. Anticonvulsants. Used to manage seizures. Intensive care. In cases of severe neurological symptoms, intensive care may be necessary to manage respiratory and neurological complications. Preventive measures. Preventive measures are focused on controlling the sandfly population and minimizing human exposure. Insect repellents. Use of insect repellents to reduce the risk of sandfly bites. Protective clothing. Wearing long-sleeved clothing and using bed nets to avoid bites. Environmental control. Reducing sandfly habitats through environmental management and insecticide spraying. Public health awareness. Educating communities in affected areas about the risks and preventive measures for Chandipura virus.